Hello guys, do you know how to factory reset of your ESP32 Wi-Fi board, erase EEPROM and repair the bootloader? This technique will support every ESP32 board, so now no worries at all. Watch each step of this video. This is Bhupendra Singh and you're watching our YouTube channel SME Dehradun. So if you have worked with ESP32 board and somewhere you have stuck with EEPROM or bootloader, like few innovators not able to erase EEPROM as while they are working in new Blynk IoT, then factory reset will help you. This will reset your ESP32 board to initial stage. You can factory reset your ESP32 board via two methods. Either you can go for the web serial method or most advanced method by installing ESPTool.py in your computer. But web serial is the easiest method, so go for it. First of all, go to video description and click on the link to download the factory reset and bootloader bin file. After it, connect the ESP32 board to your computer that you intended to flash. Make sure that no other USB connected to the computer. Now go to the video description, click on the link and open it with the Chrome, Internet Explorer or Edge browser. Only these browsers support the serial COM port. You will see the screen like this. I am using Microsoft Edge browser. Here click on the baud rate and select the 115200. Then click on connect. You will get the pop-up like this, in which you will get the serial COM of ESP32 board. Select it, then click on connect. Now press and hold the boot button down in your ESP32 board. Press and release the reset or RST button and then you can release the boot button. You can see it will detect your board and board type. Once your ESP32 board connected successfully, then click on the erase flash button. It will take a while to erase the ESP32 chip like shown here. Now change the flash address to 0x0000 and then click on the choose file. Select the factory reset and bootloader repair.bin file that we have just downloaded. Now click on the program. You can see the progress of factory reset in the progress bar as well as here in percentage. Once you got the message wrote bytes and leaving like this, that means we have successfully factory reset the ESP32 board. Now click on disconnect button to disconnect your board from the web serial. Now you can test your ESP32 board. Disconnect your ESP32 board from the computer and reconnect it. Open the Arduino IDE. Select the board as ESP32 Groover module. Select the COM port as COM8 and upload any program to the board like this. As you can see, it's working perfectly. So guys, this is the easiest way to factory reset of your ESP32 board. This will erase the EEPROM as well as repair the bootloader. If this video helps you, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.